Kia ora, my name is Shreya, and this summer I had the privilege of doing a research project looking into new genetic therapies to improve wound healing in diabetes. I would like to thank my sponsors, the OMRF and the Otago Southland Diabetes Research Trust, as well as the Katare Lab for their amazing support. In diabetes, the body is unable to turn sugar into energy, which can affect the ability of the body to heal. Our medications today are not a cure, but rather help to manage symptoms whilst the diabetes continues to create havoc in our bodies. Poor wound healing in diabetics may be explained by them having low levels of two specific genes, microRNAs 126 and 132, both of which are really important for blood vessel growth. These genes are transported around the body in small bubble-like structures called exosomes. The number of exosomes in diabetic and non-diabetic people is the same, but if we take a look inside, we can see that diabetics have much fewer of the microRNAs. In my project, I am taking non-diabetic and diabetic exosomes and applying them to a cell model to see if we can improve wound healing. Non-diabetic exosomes are able to deliver more of the beneficial microRNAs, resulting in faster wound healing, less cell death, and improved blood vessel growth. If our results continue to show promise, there is a potential for this therapy to reach clinical trials in future years. As a medical student with my own family history of diabetes, I know I've yet to meet many people suffering from this disease. Having seen the complications of diabetes firsthand, I really hope that the research we are doing today can serve as potential hope for the future.